Today we have the Huion HS64, a compact, affordable and super reliable pen tablet. In this box you get the HS64 pen tablet, a cable, a battery-free pen, few nibs and an OTG connector. The tablet has a premium feel to it with rounded edges, a sleek design and a plastic body. It is also pretty tough, so overall a very good quality. It is compatible with Windows, Mac, Android and Linux. So just plug it in, download the Huion driver and you are ready to go. As you can see, it's connected now. So now let's try writing. Writing feels pretty smooth, natural and it has no lag. Even with fast strokes, every line appears instantly. This is the PW100 stylus pen. It's battery free, lightweight and writing with this is very easy. It feels like you're using a real pen. So if you're looking for a compact, tough, smooth pen tablet, then don't think twice, just go for the Huion HS64 pen tablet.